Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Next.js, which is React framework. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's go to Next.js.org, which is Next.js official website. Okay, then go to document or docs. And in order to install Next.js, you need to install Node.js on your computer. Okay, make sure that you install Node.js on your computer. So you can click here to download long-term support version, and after the download is done, you just click on the files and next to finish the installation. Okay, I'm going to close it. So the next step after you install Node.js, let's check it out. If you are on desktop, if you want to install the projects on desktop, just press Shift on your keyboard if you are on Windows and then open PowerShell over here. So you can install to wherever you want on your computer. In this case, I'm going to install on desktop. This is my path. So the next step, you just check the Node version, Node-v. So I have installed Node.js on my computer completely, so it show up like this. And the next step, you have to run this command, npx create next app at latest. Okay, npx create next app at latest. Hit enter. It will ask you what is your project named. You can name it whatever you want. I will name it my sample Next.js. Hit enter. So it will ask you, do you need TypeScript? I don't need TypeScript, so I choose no. And then you need ESLint. I can type yes. And it will download React, React DOM, Next, ESLint, lint configs next. Your computer needs to connect to the internet in order to install Next.js on your computer. So if you go to desktop, you will see this folder on your desktop. Okay, here it show up over here. So you can open it with Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is your project. You can go to terminal, new terminal, and then type npm install again to make sure if everything is installed correctly. You can type npm run dev to start Next.js. Then you will see this URL over here. You can press Ctrl and click on the link. See, or you can just type this URL on desktop. It will show Next.js. This is your Next.js project. You can edit this project by go to page, index.js. For example, I'm going to show hello over here. Div hello Next.js. Save it. If I go to my desktop, I will see hello Next.js over here. It will automatically compile your projects and refresh it on browser for you. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.